Welcome. Today we'll be looking at Qmerce, an e-commerce gamification provider, and their interactive site for Craftsman, the tools and hardware brand. This video is brought to you by Technology Advice and the Smart Advisor tool, which lets you compare over 90 gamification companies in under 2 minutes. This video is part of our gamification case study series, which looks at real-life examples of gamified platforms. Now, Qmerce, whose website we have open here, is a loyalty, engagement, and sales platform that's done work for brands like Oreo, Trident, Toys R Us, and Craftsman. And we'll be looking at the service for Craftsman's Heroes Tournament, an interactive site that's tied into the Shop Your Way network. Now we have the site up right here, and when you first visit, you'll need to log in, either make an account or through Facebook, and then you'll be taken to this page that we're on now, where you have a few options. You can play one of 3 different games that Qmerce has made. You can watch the Craftsman videos here that's tied to their YouTube account. You can check out the handyman feed that's essentially just an open chat box for the entire site. You can look at the Craftsman store, which we'll touch on later, or see the all-time leaderboard. We'll check out the games for now and come back to the other features. Now, these are actual full games, and the site in general represents a more literal take on the idea of gamification than we've seen on sites like Quora or Samsung Nation, which just have borrowed select game elements. There's a few different options for games, but we'll try Plow King. It's a very simple game, but it is pretty entertaining actually, and you can see there's plenty of Craftsman branding there on the side. And at the end of the game, we'll get our little statistics, a prompt to share it on Facebook, our score, didn't do very well, and the option to play again. Now you'll notice at the top of this page there's a status bar with our level, a little bar showing our progress to the next level, and our coins. This here will tell us the missions, when new missions are released, and the missions are the way you get more coins. As you can see, we've played one of these games successfully, so we can click Get Reward, and we'll level up and have some more coins added. And you can only do the missions that are available at a certain time, which keeps the site engaging and kind of prompts you to come back to see what the next ones are if you'd like to earn more of these coins. And there is a point to earning them because they can be redeemed for actual gift cards. We can click the Craftsman store here, and it'll bring up the different rewards that we can earn. $1, $5. The rate of exchange is 1,000 coins to $1, and you can earn up to a $100 gift card on Shop Your Way for the Craftsman store. If you click on any one of these, you'll also see that there's a limited amount available. That's a clever move on Craftsman and Qmerce's part, as it sort of incentivizes you to play right away instead of putting it off if you'd like to get one of these gift cards, and it keeps you coming back since you can only get coins for the missions that are currently available, and there's only 3 at a time. And that's essentially the gist of this site. Got games, videos, and the points which you can tie into gift cards. It functions well. We haven't encountered any problems with it. It's easy to start using, and the ability to turn your points into actual discounts is pretty nice. Overall, it's a good effort by Craftsman to create a little more brand engagement with their customers and interact with them online. They're using the gamification company Qmerce, as we've mentioned before, and this is pretty typical setup for a Qmerce site. It sort of ties in videos, customer interaction, and rewards on one all-in-one platform. If you'd like to learn more about gamification or are thinking of adding similar functionality to your own company's website, we recommend you visit technologyadvice.com and use the Smart Advisor tool to find the right provider for you. The Smart Advisor will let you compare over 90 gamification companies, including Qmerce, in under 2 minutes. Thanks for watching this walkthrough of Craftsman Heroes Tournament and Qmerce.